fidget pack. So, I got this on Amazon. And first we have this fidget tube, like noises, and it gets very big. And we have another one, and it's green. Then, then we have these finger twisties. They go on your finger, and then you roll them up and down. Next, we have 3 marble mash. So you would take one, and it's kind of like you get to move the marble around. Next, we have, so basically it's like you can make tons of different shapes, and you can open it, you can close it, and it's just kind of things that come out and click in. And then we have 3 more of those. Then next we have an infinity cube. Basically, what you do with that is is kind of like a Rubik's cube, but you click it around and it goes on for like a really long time. So you do that, and it's like infinite. So it's like really fun, and it's kind of like you can never stop playing with it. Next, we have this simple dimple ball. It's kind of the same thing as a simple dimple, but instead of like it kind of looks like a poppet, you move it around and stuff. So like that, you can push them in, you can move them to different spots, and you can just, yeah. And then inside of it, there are like these little squishy things, little pom-poms, and it just makes it so that you can move them around without the balls going all the way in. Next, we have this. So I just finished searching up what this is. It's spinny, but you can also, like, if you put your hands in the middle, you can change the balls from to red and blue, and then like yellow and green. Like, you can spin it, and there's these things, so it kind of makes like noise. Next we have these things that they just like, you just can flip them, and they you can turn them into like, kind of like a Venn diagram, and then they can turn into like a 3D ball. Okay, so I don't exactly know what this is called, but it's kind of like it's kind of squishy, so you do that, and it makes like noise, and it's kind of like suction cups, and it's really satisfying. Then you can open it, you can close it, and yeah. So next we have this ball. It kind of like opens, and you can make it kind of like Lego. So you can make like little different, the colors can go different, you can solve it. It's kind of like a Rubik's Cube, but instead you're trying to solve the ball. Next, we have little people. They kind of feel like erasers. They're stretchy, and they're squishy, and they're twisty. Okay, so we have this little sticky thing, and it's very stretchy. It's a hand, and this I can't really do a demonstration, but if you throw it at a wall or a window, it'll kind of like stick to it, and it's stretchy. So we have that. We have more of them in different colors. Next, we have this like football. It's a squishy. And so we have like this little, kind of looks like a wheel, but you can like switch everything around. And then basically it's kind of like a Rubik's Cube, so you have to try and solve it, like put all the pinks back together or the blues. And we have a maze cube. It's basically the same thing as a maze, but it's technically just a bunch of mazes glued together. So there is this one little ball that you have to try and get into the middle of the maze. So it kind of goes, it's kind of like an infinity cube because it goes on forever. Next we have a pea popper. So it has like a ton of mini peas in it. We got one. So basically, it's a green bean, and if you pop one of them, the little face comes out. See? Next, we have these little sticky things. So basically, it's like, I don't know what you can do with these. So I don't think they stick together or anything, but they're kind of just spiky. Maybe you can squish them. Okay. Next, we have worms. They're very stretchy, and they're squishy, kind of, if you squish them. They come in multiple colors, and so. Next up, we have squishies. It kind of feels like these, but it's squishy and it's stretchy. It's very squishy. And there's multiple different of them. We have an otter. There's, I think this is like a baby lion or something. Then we have kind of like a dog's paw or a cat paw. And I think that's all of them. There's a little cat. I don't know what this is. I think it maybe it's another cat. Yellow cat. And yeah, that's all. I'm gonna come to like little sticker pack. There are 58 pieces in this fidget pack, and if you want more details, I will leave some in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.